Alright, hey guys, we're back doing the same test again with the thermal paper, except this time with warm water. There might be a difference, there might not. The microwave didn't seem to have that much effect on it. It might just be more friction than anything, but with this test we'll know. Get the water warmed up here. Let it warm up a little bit. Got a little cup over there, thermal paper. Getting warmer. It's getting warmed up now. Fill it up. Turn that off. Now, for the first test, we're just going to do it with warm water. The second test, what we're going to do is we're going to put it in the microwave to see if it just needs more heat. So I'm just going to take a little thermal paper and just stick it in the water. Just not much seems to be happening except what would happen to normal paper. Get wet and soggy. Or if it's just getting wet, leave it in there for a little bit longer. Make sure we have an accurate test. Yep, I think that's not gonna do anything. I think it's just making it wet, so. No ink. Actually, it probably took a little bit off. So, we're gonna set that aside for right now, just in case it wasn't warm enough. We're gonna put it in the microwave for about 90 seconds. Now it's a bit long, but you know. Science takes time. I know it's so fun, right, watching a cup spin around in a microwave. But if you look at the paper, obviously it does, just because it's already been written on doesn't mean it's unusable. If you scratch your finger across it, it'll actually kind of ink up if it'll focus. Lightly written on, but it still works on the same basis. So we'll see if we just needed warmer water for it to work. Little written there. Nothing specific, but you know. 12 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beep. The water should be nice and warm. Warm by now. If it's gonna work. Hot. Ow. So instead of just getting the warmed up paper, might as well use this side this time. And as you can see, there is a big difference. So it actually does depend on how warm it is. If you can see, it instantly turned black, including the water, so you can see where it kind of got around the edges right there. How about we just, kind of get the price in there too, so you can't see that. But yeah, that made a much bigger difference than the microwave did by itself. I'm sure if we left it in there for about 90 or so seconds, it would have done the same thing to the paper, but didn't want to burn it. So, but in this test, the warm water won. Sorry, thermal paper, you lost.